Guys, today we're going to learn what happens when you put a marshmallow in the microwave. So we're going to put it in for about 15 seconds and see what happens. I don't know if you can see it too well, but see if it'll expand. This is what the marshmallow looks like after it came out of the microwave. Let's touch it. It's a bit hot, I mean not that bad. That's how it's grown in size. Might want to compare this to what it was like before. But I mean look at it, it's like sticking to my finger. It's a pretty cool, I guess, experiment you can do. It expands before it melts, so that's why it gets so big when heat hits it. So I guess it's time for the taste test. So let's try this thing out. Well, it tastes a bit weird, probably just because it's very hot, but all in all, it's okay.